Two predators built for different wars, neither willing to commit too soon. Venom does not need victory in seconds. It only needs patience. It works in silence, traveling along nerves, loosening muscle from command. Every heartbeat becomes an owl's persistence, refusing to yield ground even as his body begins to betray him. The earth tilts. Sounds stretch and warp. He sways, snapping at threats that may or may not exist. A mammal fighting both an opponent and his own unraveling senses. Can be overwhelmed by a large dose. It attempts a short run, but the stride breaks into stumbles. Running spikes oxygen demand, and venom can make oxygen harder to use. With neurotoxic venom, the real crisis is often respiratory fatigue. A final push, claws scraping, and it falls onto its side. A small shake runs down the spine, then stops abruptly. That stop can signal exhaustion, not recovery. The last movements are slight reflexes, not strength, then quiet. Under the harsh living rope, in a savage tug-of-war between head and tail, swung and pulled as the pack tries to tear momentum into victory.